Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin is scheduled to hit $100,000 tomorrow, but do we have something to worry about? And great news for altcoins. Stay tuned. What's up, everyone? Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at Bitcoin bound for $100,000, but bad news bears, or maybe bad news bulls, and alt season. No, this chart, alt season. There we go. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, come join us on Twitter at Crypto Love, and of course, subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos for over 7 years. That's a lot of days. Now, today, Fear and Greed Index, holy freaking cow, that's almost like 100. I wonder if it can go up to 100. I don't remember ever seeing that, but it's at 93 right now. Down from yesterday's 94, but still a very enthusiastic market, very bright green extreme greed. The overall market up 2% today. Bitcoin at 98,536. Ethereum at 3,360. Solana 256. BNB 663. XRP 155. Dogecoin 47 cents. Cardano 109. And Tron 21 cents. Now, Bitcoin taking this near vertical. It seems like it's only a matter of time before price breaks through $100,000. And while we might find some resistance at that big even, maybe we might just blow through there. There's really no way to tell. And if you're looking to trade, there's a link down in the description. You can buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for 0% fees and for spot trades. And you can buy with a credit card and no KYC VPN, all of that stuff. BitFi down in the description. Now, if we take a look tomorrow, tomorrow is the day based on this trend line right here, celebrating early this weekend, $100,000. Could it be a Thanksgiving miracle that Bitcoin hits $100,000? It would be the appropriate time of year if that happens. But if you bear with me a second, we might have something to be a little bit worried about. Now, what could that be? Well, if we take a look, calls for 100,000 Bitcoin across social media indicate massive anticipation of the milestone's arrival. Guess what the market likes to do? Disappoint the most people possible. There's a lot of people expecting it. Could be a lot of disappointed people. Not only that, but should Bitcoin jump to $100,625, there would be almost $2 billion in liquidations if Bitcoin jumps there. So if it does break that level, well, price is going to go a lot higher than that. But if it doesn't, well, we also take a look here. Based on polls, 87% chance that Bitcoin will hit $100,000 in 2024 should be 100%. Is that overconfidence? Well, you look at stuff like this. Order book zoomed out. No sell wall lasts forever. The sell wall will be beaten through soon enough. Don't short the bull unless everybody is super optimistic and it is time to short. Especially when you take a look at things like this. Massive bearish divergence right here. Price going up, RSI going down, bearish divergence. Generally, price could go down from there. That's one possibility. The other possibility, blows right through. Third possibility is it just stays the same. So it's either going up, down, or sideways, one of the three. But right now, Bitcoin making new all-time high against the VIX. You can see has never been this high in history. That could be very, very good. One of my favorite indicators, OBV, which is generally a leading indicator for Bitcoin, breaking out from previous all-time highs, which tells us that there is likely going to be a big breakout for Bitcoin. This is the on-balance volume. Is used to assess how price movements correlate with trading volume. A breakout here signals that volume is catching up with Bitcoin surge, indicating a healthy continuation of the trend. That's right, meaning likely price will break through that $100,000 pretty soon. As a matter of fact, not only do we have Thanksgiving coming up for those of you in America, but we also have Christmas coming up. And if you take a look, Christmas acts like a bullish catalyst for Bitcoin, or at least kind of like a midway mark between the whole entire run up. So however high we get by Christmas, we can expect it to go that much higher afterwards. Could you imagine hundreds of thousands of dollars for Bitcoin? Definitely likely. Based on this, the ADX going through the 20 line right here. Last time this happened, there was still a lot of upward room for Bitcoin to go. Could we see the same thing again? Hundreds of thousands of dollars. Got a lot more room to go for Bitcoin. But better news than that for you altcoin holders out there. It does appear like alt season has finally shown its face. just like the groundhog, didn't see its shadow, no more winter, now it's just plain alt season. Whenever Bitcoin hits this line right here, which is the Bollinger Band, some moving averages, 200 SMA to close right there, whenever it hits that line, that's when Bitcoin dominance drops and alt season begins. Well, guess what? We just hit that line once again, confirmed in this chart right here. Alt season is here, in the very early stages of alt season, similar to right here. In this phase, Bitcoin continues its upward movement and alts gradually follow the trend. But when Bitcoin reaches its peak, alt will enter the final fireworks. Could be some massive months ahead of us. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter, the Crypto Love, subscribe to the channel, and also YouTube says watch that video right there. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.